which Sachin Pilot has put
Anand,
forward.
we're getting a breaking story coming in. I'm sorry about this interruption. Let's go straight across to breaking news that is coming in at this point of time. The resolution has been passed in the Congress Legislative Party meeting. The resolution for disciplinary action against any of the party official or MLA involved in anti-party activity. So there is a resolution that has been passed for a disciplinary action against any of the party officials or MLAs involved in anti-party activity. And Ashok Gehlot has been declared leader at the CLP or the Congress Legislative Party meeting. That's the latest that is coming in at the moment. The Congress Legislative Party meeting has gotten done with, and the resolution has been passed. They passed a resolution for the disciplinary action, taking disciplinary action against any of the party officials or MLAs who are involved in anti-party activity. Of course, they are referring to the rebel MLAs who are in the Sachin Pilot camp and Sachin Pilot himself. Gehlot has been declared as a leader at Congress Legislative Party meeting. Devankur is breaking the story on India Today, joining us live for the latest on this. Dev, what does this really mean? Of course, there has been a resolution that has been passed for taking disciplinary action. Gehlot is being declared as a leader at Congress Legislative Party meeting. But does this really mean anything if the numbers are stacked against him? For the moment, of course, Gehlot seems to be on a very strong wicket with the numbers that seemingly look on his side at the moment.
Well, clearly the resolution that has been passed by the MLAs at the CLP meet clearly show the faith in Ashok Gehlot. It clearly means that Sachin Pilot has been sidelined completely inside the Rajasthan Congress. The party has shown faith in Ashok Gehlot's leadership, and the kind of dissidence or rebellion that was shown by Sachin Pilot. The MLAs who arrived at the Chief Minister's residence have clearly, mentioned that dissidents will not be allowed, that the Congress will be putting up a joint fight against what they claim was the BJP's maneuvering towards gaining control of leadership, of gaining control of government in Rajasthan. So at this point in time, even as we are traveling towards the Fairmont Hotel where the MLAs are headed, Chetira, I can tell you that these MLAs are going towards the Fairmont Hotel in 4 different buses. In fact, Ashok Gehlot, the Rajasthan Chief Minister, is accompanying them. And what we're also given to understand is that these MLAs once again will be holding a meeting at the Fairmont Hotel itself. The resolution, I can tell you, which was passed at the Chief Minister's residence, clearly mentions that despite the corona pandemic and despite the economic crisis that prevails in Rajasthan, the BJP, the Congress government in Rajasthan has been taking steps to ensure, which have brought appreciation in the entire country. The Congress believes that despite the corona pandemic, the BJP continues to try to destabilize, overthrow a democratically elected government. Also, the Congress camp has held that this talk about the SOG, the Special Operations Group, issuing a notice to Sachin Pilot, asking him to register a statement, is not something of an indictment of Sachin Pilot. It mentions that Ashok Gehlot also was given the same notice, and it simply meant that they were supposed to register their statement before the Special Operations Group in this case of conspiracy regarding alleged attempt to overthrow the government. So they claim that Sachin Pilot has exaggerated the entire matter, and on the basis of that, he's trying to claim that Ashok Gehlot was targeting him. But clearly, the Gehlot camp believes that there is nothing like that. Also, the emissaries, Cheti, that were sent across by Sonia Gandhi to Jaipur, including Ajay Makin, Randeep Singh Surjewala, and Avinash Pandey, have indicated that they have been holding talks with Sachin Pilot, and if he wants, he's welcome. Doors are open for discussion, but personal ambitions cannot overtake in a manner which harms the party's interests. And it was also mentioned that, whenever a member leaves a family, it's not just the member who gets hurt, it's the family which gets hurt as well. So both sides can be, harmed in this situation. But the Congress at this point in time of the Gehlot camp has evaluated the giveaways and the takeaways of this entire matter.
Absolutely.
And believes that if push comes to shove, then it might be better off without Sachin Pilot rather than facing.
Lest we forget Jyotiraditya Scindia as well. Let's not even for a moment forget how it all transpired in